team presenting to you.
Are you tired of submitting your CV online without getting any responses? Does it get exhausting sometimes going outside looking for a job? Then we might have a solution for you. Polinate introduces a unique platform that introduces employers and job seekers. In the past, companies like LinkedIn, JobStreet, and Glassdoor jobs were all created for you to look for a job. And that is where we set apart from these companies. Instead, we let the finder be found. Pollinate promotes and encourages employers to find their perfect candidate without them having to walk through their doors. On this site, employers might choose their potential candidates. All job seekers must do is just submit their CV as their profile, and in the next 24 hours, they are up for a job interview, whether online or offline, with full details of the employer's company background and relevant informations. Both the employer and job seeker can categorize their options from the job level, from its background, field, or industry, from its salary range, and even their preferred position. That said, Pollinate aims to reduce unemployment rates in the country, which is our primary demographic and goal. According to the Philippine Statistic Authority, results from February 2022 by the Labor Force Survey or LFS, the percentage of the unemployment rate has reached 6.4%. Moreover, this also promotes fresh graduates, whether in high school or college, or those who want to leave their current jobs and look for another, to use our application as our secondary and tertiary demographic respectively. Furthermore, this could mean those job seekers won't have to spend time and money to commute long hours just to look for a job, and instead, give them the comfort to look for an opportunity while at home.
The primary target customers of Polinate are the following: the job seekers, as the primary objectives align with them, fresh graduates that every year schools produce, career shifters who are looking for new path to take, or just anyone who wants to get employed. And of course, the companies, as their participation will attract users. The more companies in Pollinate, the more opportunities are created, the more users it will attract. That is why establishing relationships with companies will strengthen the ecosystem of Pollinate. The mentioned system is a job search application, and there will be undoubtedly be some application users. But what makes a customer willing to pay more? The app has basic features for the average users, whereas you can upload your resume, search, and apply for the job conventionally. But for premium users, we provide the Pollinate program's algorithm. Whereas information, particularly the CV shared with us, is the foundation of our recommendations. The Pollinate also promotes skills acquisition through online courses, and these courses are being developed in collaboration with schools or course instructors.
Since Pollinate is an online web application, it will be implemented by the means of the following. For the client side, we will be using HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap 5. While for the server side, we will be using PHP, which integrated with multiple databases such as MySQL. And since all the information on this website is confidential, we will be adding security protection with the use of data encryption mechanisms such as TLS or the transport layer security to protect site and user data as it is transmitted. The advantage of having an encrypted connection, the attackers can get the data but they don't have the key to read this. Basically, TLS primarily enables secure web browsing, applications access, data transfer, and most internet-based communication. It prevents the transmitted or the transported data from being eavesdropped or tampered.
As Pollinate heavily relies on data, these are the three main customer segmentations. Demographic that is concerned in social structures such as age, gender, income, etc. that are all stated in CV or user profile. Geographic that is concerned with location, as location is essential in categorizing and filtering opportunities around you. And psychographic that deals with intangible things such as personality, attitude, interests, and many more. These are the main methods that constitute the customer segmentation. As for the business and revenue model, company will pay for upping their profile. User can opt for a premium for tailoring their feed and jobs. Through partnerships with skill and training schools, career orientation can also generate profit from this. For this, we can say that the project will generate profit from its early phase, making the venture secured even if we burn the capital later on the development. But where will the investors come in? Marketing also plays an important role in early phase of the venture, and connections to the companies are needed. We are looking for an investor that will bring the business together, someone that plays in the web technologies.
Polinate is not allowing you to deal with the weight of your career journey, but it's making a movement on letting the opportunity come to you just like this. By means of displaying the employee demographics, information about the employee population, and releasing employee and company reviews, Polinate will find you a suitable job based on your identity and preferences. Furthermore, Polinate promotes equality in all aspects, so the movement also supports the recruitment of persons with disability as we believe that no challenges will prevent us from enabling each other. The Pollinate nearly reaches its maturity as its technology readiness level is at level 7. This means that the development can run until the prototype phase and that the final design is virtually complete. But there's a need for software evaluation and full scale testing, and that a demonstration of the actual system prototype in its relevant environment is significant to further understand the system and for the validation of the evaluation on the software's basic quality model. In addition, further developments are required to address performance issues.
Giving you an idea of how Pollinate works, here are the diagrams. A default account or user may create and upload his CV or profile. He also may look for jobs. If job is selected from browse jobs, his CV will be sent to the company. Then the application process will occur. Notifications will be sent on how the application is going and its status if your application is rejected or successful. If successful, internal affairs and communication will follow. Tailoring. Next is how opportunities were tailored according to customization. A premium is capable of such feature. A person has to customize or state his interests and other personal information concerning job tailoring. Once done, the feed is tailored or filtered. A premium account has default accounts features with premium account special add-ons like Pollinate program. User profile and CV of a premium account is dispersed among potential employers. Returned potential employers are filtered based on tailoring function. Once your application picked their interest, the opportunity of work will follow. Internal discussions are made between the company and the users. This is an overview of the Pollinate program, the relationship between the user and the employers.
Our team consists of I, Janela Olaybar as a designer, Rizal Lorraine Mulud being the hacker, and Kian Mateo as the host. Thank you for listening. Again, this is Pauline.
Ayan. So, thank you, no. How will be the process of yung sa process ng job selection is does